No matter the price action for the CRO token, the Cronos team is still building on some fundamental upgrades, and we might also get a crazy good surprise. But what's this update all about, and what is this surprise? Well guys, I would say let's strap in and let's find out. This video is sponsored by Obsidian Swap and their recent token launch. Obs is now available on Cronos. On the 30th of October, Cronos will receive a major upgrade, version 1.5 called Smarturn. According to the Cronos team, this will be the next Cronos evolution, but you can learn more in the blog post, which I will leave a link in the description down below. And while you're there, don't forget to, of course, hit that like button and strap in for more videos. But in a nutshell, this will bring smarter accounts, new EVM capabilities, and stronger performance across the board. But what to really expect? Well, luckily, we do have some more details. First and foremost, we'll get support for EIP 7702. 7702. Well, guys, first and foremost, EIP stands for Ethereum Improvement Protocol. And for anyone that doesn't know, Cronos is EVM, meaning Ethereum Virtual Machine. So everything that basically works on Ethereum can be ported over also to Cronos. And Cronos ZK EVM already had support for this, but now also EVM will get this. And on ZK EVM, I would say it has been quite successful. But what does it do? Well, it will unlock smart accounts and more flexible wallet experiences. Still quite vague, but luckily somebody posted a screenshot of the blog post down below. And there are four main things here. First and foremost, again, the programmable wallet logic. So you can actually make your wallet now programmable to also do actions by itself. For example, in combination with AI agents, this can be quite cool. Also, support for multiple transactions with a single operation execution. So typically, every transaction you need to press every time on yes, 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 I allow. But with this, we can do multiple things with just one press of a button. Also, allow applications of custom permission rules. And I think the most exciting one, provides flexible alternative gas payment management. So what you have to do now, guys, if you're using EVM, you have to pay with CRO, always. But for example, if you're new to the Cronos chain, you might not have any CRO yet. You might only have USDC or any other stablecoin. What you can do then, if the DApp allows for it, you can, for example, you can swap it in a DEX, for example, to USDC, to CRO, or to Ethereum, or to whatever, without actually paying CRO, but maybe just paying your fee in USDC, and then the DApp can pay the gas fee for you. And the same is also true for games. You can, for example, play a game without actually paying gas fees. The DApp can pay the gas fees for you. So a lot of new experiences now will become possible thanks to EIP 7702. And guys, this is going to be, I think, the standard going forward. So really good that we have this also now on Cronos EVM. Next though, EVM upgrades support Ethereum Cancun and Break forks. So basically getting up to speed again with Ethereum, and enhance node performance, mempool logic, and RPC features. This sounds really, really hard, but basically this will make sure that your experience on the chain will feel a lot smoother. Developers and users alike will feel the difference. But why does this matter? Smarturn will bring Cronos closer to Ethereum's cutting edge and will also empower builders to experiment with advanced account extraction, AI agents, and new DeFi UX models, but also keeping Cronos dApps EVM compatible and user first. So I would say it's a big deal also for new builders to come to Cronos. I mean, why would you choose a chain that is basically a few updates behind Ethereum? Why not just build then on Ethereum? Well, I think this is a great solution to also that issue. But this EIP 7702 is also going to unlock something that you might not have thought about before. That's also going to be the big surprise, really, I think, also for Crypto.com. But let's talk about that after the quick word of today's sponsor. Obsidian Finance is leveling up their platform because recently they held their token generation event for the Obsidian token, and now it is actually available right on the Cronos EVM chain. Simply can press here on swap now and you can go directly to the homepage to get into the OBS token. But if you participated on the TGE, you can also find your contribution and you can claim your tokens. 15% directly available and 85% will become available in the vested token session. But don't forget to claim your tokens, guys. Now available on Obsidian Swap. Anyways, let's talk some more about a surprise coming to Crypto.com. Because, guys, I don't know if you've seen this recent survey on the Crypto.com app. So let me quickly open this tweet. So big news. Crypto.com is exploring DEX/DeFi integration directly inside the blue main Crypto.com app. So what you have here is this thing. If you open up the phone, if you open up your Crypto.com app and open the top right, the bell icon, you might get this image here. Decentralized Exchange Trading Survey. We're exploring DEX integration and want your opinion first. Take a 3-minute survey and tell us what to build. Basically, what this might mean is you can start trading Cronos tokens directly in the Crypto.com app without them actually being listed within the main platform. Crypto.com will run a wallet on behalf of you to trade these tokens on, for example, platforms like VVS Finance, but maybe also on different chains. But I do believe, guys, this fits right into the vision of the Cronos chain roadmap. In their Golden Age of On-Chain Dominance roadmap shared in August, they're talking, for example, about driving retail adoption with Crypto.com to get more people to the Cronos chain. And what they're mentioning here, we believe crypto's greatest impact will come when it's woven seamlessly into everyday's life. So really, they want to get the UX of Crypto.com, but then also with, of course, the Crypto.com integration. So DeFi for 115 million plus users. By integrating directly with Crypto.com, millions of users will be able to access Cronos lending, staking, and other on-chain services with zero friction. This will open the floodgates of mainstream adoption, bringing millions directly into the Cronos ecosystem. This will be a major change to how Crypto.com operates their business, because previously, they only allowed certain cryptos to get listed on their exchange. But with this, you will be able to get tokens really on day one of launching, giving you access to more opportunity, but also to more risk. So really, guys, interesting change if they're going to do this. But it's not groundbreaking. We have seen this work already on the Base network, and Base is the biggest roll-up currently regarding total value locked. So what we see here, Base is performing really well. And Base is, of course, made by Coinbase. And Coinbase already has some kind of DeFi integration within their main app as well. So really, it is a great way to onboard more people. And we do know it actually does work. So I am really looking forward, guys, to see where Cronos will fit in this list. Can it also get a piece of the pie here and also a piece of the success? Because I do believe this is also important for the fundamental success of the Cronos chain, because more tokens, more activity on the Cronos chain, also more demand for the CRO token. Does this mean, though, that all the platforms currently available on Cronos will also be accessible on the Crypto.com app? For example, Moonlander, Orbi, Wolfswap, Push the Button, Obsidian? I don't think so. I think that platforms that are really linked to Crypto.com, for example, VVS Finance or H2, will be directly integrated because they can also earn from, for example, the liquidity pools. Other platforms, well, they also get their own revenue model, so I don't think they will be integrated within Crypto.com. But maybe we will be surprised. I would say at least don't count on it. Of course, ladies and gentlemen, this is still a bit of speculation because we have no official word out there yet. But we do have the survey and also the Cronos chain roadmap, and I would say 1 + 1 is 2. We might first see, for example, integration with Solana DEXs, but of course, we don't know anything yet. I do believe, though, with also the smart accounts coming, they can actually technically also now integrate Cronos within the Crypto.com app. So therefore, guys, I think we're getting ready now for the next leap for Cronos. Let me know though, guys, what you think about this upgrade. What do you think about this DEX integration? Is it anything you're going to use? Let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget, of course, to hit the like button, subscribe for more videos, and of course, check out this video as well about Cronos if you haven't seen it yet.